Hi, it's Tara from Jula Design Studio, and I'm going to show you how to use the free version of Canva to edit the Santa's driver's license template by adding your own photo into the license. It's going to make it one solid PNG, then you can use it for print and cut in your Cricut and your Silhouette. So you're going to go to Create Design, and then you're going to say Edit Photo. You're going to want to choose the template that you want to use of mine. So I am going to use my driver's license with the Canadian spelling, and I'm going to open that up. Now I'm going to say Edit Photo. Once I'm in the Edit Photo, I can add my own photos. So I'm going to click, this is uploading right now, that's why it was blue. So now I'm going to hit Uploads, and I've already uploaded it, but I'm going to go back out and show you. You're going to upload your Santa photo that you want to use. Once it's uploaded, or even while it's uploading, you can just click on it and it'll bring it into this driver's license. So now you want to size it and kind of put it about where you want it in this place. Perfect. So now you're going to go right click, send to back. Voila, there's our Santa. We're going to add it again in this little corner. So I click on my Santa, I shrink it down, I put them over here where I want them. Right click, send to back. You're done. Your driver's license is ready to use. You're wanting to download this as a PNG so that you can now import it into Cricut to print and cut. So when it's downloaded, you'll get that it's complete, and your download is down here on my browser. It probably is on yours, but it's going to be in your downloads directory. So if I view this as an extra large, now I have my Santa license ready to use in Cricut as print and cut. Now that you have your driver's license made as a solid image, you can upload this file that you just downloaded into Cricut as a complex image. Don't change anything. Say print then cut. Add it into your canvas. Also, so upload the back of the card. Same thing, complex, print and cut. Add it. Size your cards to the dimension that you want. Mine is, I think, 3.5 inches wide, and I'll just leave that defaulted. You want to do your height and width appropriately to what will fit on your card. You can copy and paste a whole bunch of these to do a print and cut, and now you're going to make it. So when you print and cut this, all of these will print, and then you'll put it through your cutter. They'll be cut out perfectly. You can laminate them. You can use them for print or sublimation. If you have an inkjet printer, you can buy the plastic inkjet business cards that you can print in specific printers, so you could print them on that. So it's super easy and quick now. It will just cut around the square, even on the ones that have your photo, and you will have a perfect cut. Hope this helps.